my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, and also don't forget to press the bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Why the hell am I using my hand like that, y'all? I use my hand a lot. But yeah, for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing another order pack with me type of situation. I did one before, but I think one was hair and then the second one was the lip gloss. For today's video, it's gonna be basically both of them. As you guys know, I do make custom units and I also sell lip gloss and everything. So yeah, so I already separated everything out and stuff. So like I already have my boxes. Oh shoot, I'm dropping shit. I already have my boxes, which a lot of people like love my boxes, but this is my boxes. I got my thank you cards. I have my business cards. And I have all the things that I basically need for to package everything. Now the first thing I am gonna be doing is doing the small orders, which is gonna be the lashes and everything. This person wanted damn, it can't focus. This person wanted three material girl lashes. These are how the material lashes look like. When I tell you guys, these lashes are mad fluffy. I actually have material girl on right now. They're one of my favorite pair of lashes and everything. They're not too much, but they still have like that dramatic effect, which is what I really like. But she ordered 3 of them, and I will be putting it in these red satin bags. I made these. I think I had a video of how I made these, honestly. But when I make them, all I literally do is put them in there. I put a business card. And sometimes I put a hairpin in it. Sometimes I put like the head wraps. Alright. So what I actually am about to do is I always put some of these on it. And they're just basically like little diamonds and stuff. I really like them. And a lot of people just, I don't know, they really like the diamond things I put on. They're pretty small. I do have 2 different sizes on there. So yeah, excuse my stomach. My stomach looks mad big. But literally, I just sprinkle it in there. Not too much. And that's for the not for the eyelash, that's for the lip gloss orders. So I'm gonna switch you guys down a little bit so you guys can look at what I'm doing. All right, so these are how the boxes look like. Like I said, this is how it opens up. I let them come with these little bags. I really don't know why. I guess to protect this part from it. But literally what I would do is I take the thank you card. I try to arrange it, make it look nice, and just give it enough space. And then I include 2 business cards in there. And then now I would just take the unit. I actually just started doing this, putting them inside I don't know if you guys can see, but like inside these nets, just so it could protect the hair or like the curl pattern better. I actually don't. Let's see if I'll be able to do this. Okay, you guys, as y'all can see, I'm struggling a little bit. This is pretty tricky because these are curls. When it's straight hair, it is a little bit more easier, but and literally basically this is how it would look like. And like I said, I literally recently just started doing this just so it could preserve the curls and stuff like that, and so the unit just doesn't get messed up. So actually, and then before I put in the unit, I will take a little bit more of the diamonds and I will put inside the box, and I would literally. Now, one thing I am gonna say about these boxes is they are pretty short. They're on the shorter side. Now, that is only my fault because when I was making the boxes, I didn't take that into consideration. But I'm basically almost done with the boxes. So when I do get these remade, if I do get them remade, I will be making it a little bit higher so it can have more room for the hair to go in. So keep that in mind if you do want to sell hair and stuff like that and you want to get boxes created. Always keep that in mind. All right, so I kind of switched over to the to my desk because the bed was getting kind of uncomfortable and my camera shut off a little bit. So before I did show you guys how I put in my wigs inside the boxes, now I'm gonna show you guys how I do my bundles. As you guys can see, I already did my signature. As you guys can see, I know it's a little bit bright. And yeah, I already did my signature thing to it where I put in my little hang tags, and I also put in the little diamond things around it. And basically I have a video on this. Oh shit, I just dropped some. But I have a video on this already of how I do this if anybody is asking. I just got this from Amazon, which is, I'm not really sure what it's called. If I remember the name of it or anything, I will definitely link it down below for anyone that is interested. I use this and literally I cut it piece by piece, and then I basically use a glue gun. I'll link it down below because I think I also got this on Amazon as well. So but yeah, so that's literally how I got the little diamond things around it. And if you are asking, does glue get on the hair? No, it does not, because I do put the glue on top of the little band, and the glue is so easy to come off. So anyways, so now basically what I'm gonna be doing is taking my box, and this is just how it looks like. I literally open the box. Let me get these out the way. And it's basically the same thing where and I'm doing something with it. I literally just stick everything in. Again, a business card. And for this order, she did want one of my hair ties, which is this how it look like. It's like a silk wrap hairband thing, and I'll put that on the bottom for her. And I will start putting in the bundles. Some of these are kind of long, so I am gonna, like, you know, like double tie them so it doesn't. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like. And then the bundles, I usually just literally just put it on top of it. You guys, my nose is getting stuck on everything. And then now is when I take my a lot of people ask me about these again I got from Amazon. You guys, they were mad cheap. I got 2 different sizes, and literally I take it and I sparkle it around. Like, I don't put too much because I don't want it to be like annoying for when people receive their orders and stuff. But literally that's basically it, and then I just close everything off. All right, so after that, now these are the 2 other orders that I already packaged. Now the second step is packaging them. I get these from Amazon as well. They're just regular black Melly Polars. They have the bubble wrapped inside of them just to protect your stuff. So right now I got 3 because it's 3 orders that I gotta ship. And then these, which is lip glosses and my lashes that are in here, which I showed you guys in the previous clip. And now I got a lot of these from the post office. Every time I go there, I make sure I grab a handful, just so when I get to the post office, I do write my them by myself. I don't have like a, what is that thing called, the little mailing printer thingy. I literally write everything by myself. My handwriting isn't the best, but it will do. It's legible. So I take those, and this basically just saves time, so you don't have to wait. You have to, when you get to the post office, you got to write things down, and you got to stay out of line. And especially now, the post office line is so long and we have to wait inside, and it's crazy. But I'm literally gonna sit here and write all the orders on here, and then I'm gonna show you guys the next part. Alright, so literally what I'm doing is just take it, I peel out the tab right here, and like I try to be careful with this work because I like it to match up. The best that I can, because obviously I messed up, but boom. And this is literally what it would look like. Alright. And I would take this, try not to show you guys the address to everything. I would take it, unwrap it, boom, and this is literally it. And all I have to do now is take them and ship them to go to the USPS. And literally they don't do much. They just charge me for this size. If anybody is interested, they normally will charge me for this size. They would normally charge me like Mom, get what you need and go. They would charge me like about, I think, $9.90 for this. Now, if you do have it in the regular FedEx one, which is the, not the boxes. Yeah, I think the boxes, or the regular USPS bag, but my boxes don't fit in those, so I just use my own, and that would that normally be around 750, 730, but for these is $9.90, which isn't too bad. But yeah, that's how much the shipping would be for this size. But that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you do have any questions or anything about the way that I package my orders, let me know in the comments down below. Do you have any easier way to ship labels? Mine is having to buy an expensive printer and everything. But just let's talk in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I do have a giveaway that is going to be coming probably the next video after this one, so make sure you keep a lookout for that and make sure you subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.